Good day, everybody. We're at Wat Phra Tat, Wat Phra Tat, Pao Sang Kaew. Not an easy one for me to say. I practiced it too.
วัดพระธาตุผาซ่อนแก้ว
It's a
เพชรบูรณ์ province
Phetchabun province. We're on our way to Phitsanulok and then on to Chiang Mai. We saw this on the side of the road. Jai knew about it, very famous, so we wanted to stop in and take a look. Look at everything, how beautiful it is alongside the road, and there's new construction going on. This is a great place. I can see why it's so famous. We don't have much time to hang around here, unfortunately. We've already been driving about 7 hours, I think, today already. So we weren't dressed for it, we weren't prepared for it. You have to have long pants and socks to go. So I can't go up in there. But that's okay, I can see what we want to from here. It's a beautiful place. I've already had somebody asking me to exit. I haven't even really got into where it's an issue, but they've already asked me to exit here. The thing's huge. I'm not even that close to it yet, and look how big it is. We're standing in the area right now where you have to take your shoes off to be able to go farther up. Look at the view here. If we had more time, this would be a great place to come back and visit later. Maybe on our way home, we might stop back here. Be prepared for it. It'd be great if I could fly the drone too. It's so hot right now, I wouldn't even attempt to. It's really hot. What a view though. What a view. It's 30 baht for parking, and they got a lot of parking. And it's a good thing because there's a lot of people here. It's very crowded. I spotted some people that were up here barefooted, so I decided I'm going to come on. Look at all the tile on the floor. Wow, it's hot. It's hot on my feet. Maybe that's why they want you to wear socks. Probably a good idea, don't come this late in the day. What a beautiful place. I don't know if we can walk up the stairs because the glass might be too hot for my tender feet. We're going to give it a shot. Yeah, I can see why everybody says this is a must-to place to visit. Amazing. Look at all this. Wow. You can go inside, but I'm going to keep going up right now, Jai. I'm using my gimbal. I'm hoping I can't see anything. Hoping I'm aiming where you can see. Wow. I don't see anywhere where it says you can't film in here. They don't have anything in the display cases yet. I'm going to show you the view outside the door over here. A lot of new construction here. You can see the new construction going on right over there. This is a good view of the Buddhas over here. Amazing views all the way around. And standing out here on this glass with bare feet, it's very hot. I see people that are barefoot over there too. So maybe we can walk over there. I'll pass it by Jai. I see a lot of people that are barefoot. Yeah, we needed a lot more time to visit this place. It's huge. That's obviously going to take you to whatever the new structure is right there. Jai's going to meet me back at the bottom. She's going downstairs from the inside. I guess I'm not guilty. If you're not supposed to film, I can't read anything here. So apparently Jai took the stairs all the way down because I don't see her inside here at all. Isn't this something? And there's the stairs. And there's going down there. Okay, I'll continue. She went the other way because her feet were slipping. She had socks on, and her feet were slipping on the steps. Okay, we figured out while we're on the other side that we can come over here barefoot because we saw a lot of people that are barefoot. But let me tell you, it's hot. It's hot on your bare feet. Don't want to keep stopped here.
Nói nàyได้ทุกช็อตเดี๋ยวเราลงกัน
Very hot. Oh, this side's closed. The other side's not. Wow. Thanks everybody for watching. We hope you made it this far. We hope you like the content. If you do, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby. Enjoy the time to get going. We're out.